Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Go cold turkey. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever heard someone say, "I'm going cold turkey," and wondered what it means? It's an idiom that means quitting something abruptly and completely. To remember the meaning easily, think of a turkey that's been frozen and then thawed. It's hard, cold, and then suddenly, it's warm and soft. Let me tell you a story to help you understand the idiom better. John had been smoking for years and decided to quit. He tried cutting back, but it didn't work. So, he decided to go cold turkey and quit smoking completely. It was tough, but he succeeded. Here are fun facts about the idiom "go cold turkey." 1. The phrase originated in the 1800s and referred to the physical effects of drug withdrawal. 2. The term cold turkey refers to the goosebumps that resemble the skin of a plucked turkey. 3. The idiom is used to describe quitting anything abruptly, not just drugs or smoking. Let me give you 5 example sentences to illustrate the idiom's usage in different contexts. 1. She decided to go cold turkey and stop eating sugar altogether. 2. He couldn't quit drinking until he went cold turkey. 3. She went cold turkey on social media and deleted all her accounts. 4. He tried to quit gambling gradually, but it didn't work, so he went cold turkey. 5. She decided to go cold turkey and stop watching TV altogether. Here's one sentence using "go cold turkey." She decided to go cold turkey on caffeine and switched to herbal tea instead. Rephrased, she decided to quit caffeine abruptly and switched to herbal tea instead. She decided to stop drinking caffeine completely and switched to herbal tea instead. Let me share a real-life story that highlights the effectiveness of the idiom. My friend had been addicted to video games for years. He tried to quit gradually, but it didn't work. So, he decided to go cold turkey and quit playing video games completely. It was tough, but he succeeded. Now, he's more productive and has more time for his family and hobbies. Here are some similar expressions to go cold turkey. 1. Quit cold. 2. Go clean. 3. Stop short. And here are some opposite expressions. 1. Taper off. 2. Wean off. 3. Gradually stop. Let me tell you a story using a related idiom, kick the habit. Samantha had been addicted to coffee for years. She tried to quit gradually, but it didn't work. So, she decided to kick the habit and quit drinking coffee completely. It was tough, but she succeeded. Now, she's more energetic and has better sleep. Let's test your knowledge with a quiz. What does go cold turkey mean? A. Quitting something abruptly and completely. B. Gradually reducing something. C. Continuing something as usual. Answer A. Go cold turkey means quitting something abruptly and completely. To summarize, go cold turkey is an idiom that means quitting something abruptly and completely. Remember the memory aid of a frozen turkey that suddenly becomes warm and soft. Use the example sentences and similar expressions to improve your English vocabulary. And don't forget to share your story using "go cold turkey" in the comments below.